Mliangalia nikiwa pale. Nikasema we have inherited a dilapidated economy and the covers are empty. People thought I'm mischievous or I was just chiding the outgoing administration. I was just being truthful. Najua hii maneno ya kusema ukweli ni mambo ya maana sana. That is the truth. We are struggling. 2 months ago, we even had challenges to release our salaries on time because the president has decided, and rightly so, that it is stupid to borrow money to pay salaries because it is not sustainable. So we have to pay our salaries. We have to fund our recurrent budget from our own revenue. So what the government has done is to come up with mechanism to make it very efficient on how to collect revenue, how to deal with tax evaders, and to make sure that Kenyans pay tax so that we can fund our recurrent expenditure. If we have to borrow any money for whatever reason, it must be for sustainable development projects. But for recurrent expenditure, salaries and other things like transport, it does not make economic sense to borrow money from other countries or locally. That is why we have had this challenge of release of money for capitation, because we have to collect this money from the people of Kenya. So we want to ask you to bear with us, but I'll seek an intervention later this evening with our CS so that our institutions are able to progress